beautiful.
Yeah.
Depend, so many things.
Is the Premier League the hardest league in the world?
Yes.
Do you snore?
Probably no, but sometimes maybe yes.
I need one word.
No.
Is Sir Alex Ferguson the best manager in history?
It's unfair to say the best. What is the best? Coaches that I was with, that we win so many trophies, we have to consider they are the best too. So to mention one, I think is not fair.
That's a great answer. That's an honest answer. Do you own any NFTs?
Yes.
Are you going to make more NFTs in the future?
Yes.
Will you still be playing at the highest level in your 40s? Just one word.